Ooh, a cute little container. What could I organize in here with this little slots? Could be perfect. But what would I put in there? Nothing. I can't think of anything. And every time I use up this crazy glue, I always think, oh, this would be the perfect little organizing container. But what I usually recommend is if you have a container and you think, ooh, I could organize something with this, think about how flexible it is. If you can't think of something initially that you can use it for, maybe let it go. Or if it's very specific like this, like only a small amount of items would be able to work with this, let those go. More flexible containers are like open bins, cardboard boxes, or like little boxes that we reuse to put into drawers to organize tiny things. So if the bins are a little bit more flexible, you can nest them and use them maybe in the future for general overall organizing. I would say by now, if you haven't found a use for it and what to organize it with, it's probably time to go. Also too, if it's easily replaceable like this, then why hold on to it? Go check out all your little empty containers and get rid of some of the more specific ones.